Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thanks so much for coming by. As you can see, I got my new exclusive Rideshare Hub t-shirt on, or long sleeve. Really comfy actually. But anyways, I'm gonna get straight into today's video. So Uber just filed for their IPO about a month ago or so, right? And they're gonna be IPOing probably at the end of the month or at the beginning of next month. And something that they're doing is that they're giving out cash bonuses. So this is something that Lyft did. I just called somebody on accident. But I don't know if you saw my video where I bought $1,000 in Lyft stock. And let's just say that let me pull it up right here. Yeah, as you can see now, Lyft stock is all the way down to $59 and they started out at 87 or something. Well, they IPO'd at 72, but started out at 8. It's complicated, but basically Lyft isn't doing too good in stock. So I sold my stock pretty quickly, so I didn't lose too much money. But basically, we'll see what happens with Uber. But basically what Uber is doing, and Lyft did this as well, Lyft gave out $1,000 to anyone who has completed 10,000 rides, and then $10,000 for anyone who has completed 20,000 rides. And the point of that is to give them cash bonuses so that they can purchase stock in Lyft at the IPO price. So Uber is doing the same thing as well. And let me just pull up the article here that I found about it, and I can show you guys with me really quick. Here is the article that I found. Uber reveals IPO offers a driver bonus up to $10,000. So the company brought in I wanted to show you guys really quickly. Yeah, look, so this is the first public information that basically came out. 14 million trips daily, 10 billion trips total, and $78 billion to drivers since launching. So it's been about 10 years. $8 billion in losses since it started. Uber accounts for less than 1% of all miles driven. But yeah, basically what they're saying is, oh yeah, right here, we're still barely scratching the surface. So in Uber's mind, they think that they're barely scratching the surface. And basically what they're doing right now is just racking up a bunch of data so that, when they come out with the driverless cars, they, can make the best driverless car possible. No, I'm not giving my opinion on that. That's just what they're planning to do. I know people at Uber and Lyft, and that's all they talk about is about their driverless cars. So anyways, yeah, as you can see here in this article, it says it's an appreciation award. Driver will get bonuses of $100, $500, $1,000, or $10,000 based on the number of trips they have generated. So yeah, I'm gonna go to one of this really cool, he's a really cool YouTuber. His name is Rideshare Revolution. As you can see, is the first one that pops up for me. Guys, go check him out. He is great. He shares a lot of really good info. But yeah, so he got $1,000. And I'm not gonna watch the video because it's an hour long, but basically, as you can see here, that's funny. Yeah, this is what it breaks down to. So if you've done 2,500 rides, you're getting $100, which is hardly anything. But if you did 5,000 rides, you're getting $500. All right, now we're talking 10,000 rides, $1,000, 20,000 rides, $10,000. This is actually exactly what Lyft did. They did the same thing, $1,000 for 10,000 rides and $10,000 for 20,000 rides. Except they're doing the 100 and 500 just for people who haven't done as many rides. Yeah, I will not be getting any bonuses because I haven't done 2,500 rides on Uber. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know, did you get a bonus? And are you gonna be investing in Uber stock? I will probably buy some Uber stock just to, make a video about it and show you guys as well. If you wanna get a free stock for Uber or Lyft, you can use the link in the description to get a free stock. I think I get a free stock as well. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. You guys are awesome. Get out there, make some money, and stay safe. All right, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. All right, bye guys.